Next cool feature we're going to speak about in Mac operating system, it will be shortcut text, which I personally using it a lot. So you can go to Apple logo, system preferences, and keyboard. And if you jump to the text tab, as you can see, I already added few on here. So for example, you want to say ASAP and replace with as soon as possible. So if I go to email and put ASAP, it will replacing it with whatever I replaced it in the keyboard. So HTE, so I'm normally starting my emails like this. So it's actually saving some times for you that you can use this feature.